Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use Google Calendar with Google Drive for file attachments. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all I will show you that how you can do this. So let's take this event here. I will just click on this event here and then I will click on this pencil icon here. Okay, and from this option here you can see here it says add attachment. From here you can basically add files to your events as well. So you can basically add files from your PC as well, or if you have any file on drive, so you can basically attach that file also with it. Okay, so how you can do this, you will just click on this option here, and here you can basically see that there are multiple sources from which you can upload files or attach files with your events here. If you want to upload it from your PC, just click on upload here. You can just drag and drop the file from your PC here, and then here you can see we have two options. The first one is my drive and then shared with me. So these so the my drive will contain all the files that you have uploaded into your Google Drive that is linked with this Gmail account here. Okay, and shared with me means that this will also include files from your drive, but these are those files that are shared with you by someone else on your Google Drive. So I will just select my drive here, and if I wanted to basically attach this image here with this event here, now it's in my Google Drive. So I will just click on this one and then I will click on insert here, and now here you can see that I have attached this file from my Google Drive here. So that's how you can do this. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.